Alright, so we're going to make my famous cinnamon vanilla coffee. If you guys haven't tried this, in my opinion, it really does take the bitterness away from coffee. And gives it more of an apple spice kind of flavor. And simply, we're going to take our cinnamon and put it right on top. No, I put quite a bit. Just cover the whole top of that pile. And then squeeze this all along the top. Make sure you're using organic cinnamon. And you'll have a cinnamon spice delight. Pure vanilla extract, Madagascar vanilla bean, and cinnamon, organic cinnamon. Pretty damn amazing, you guys.